Welcome. In this video we will explore the first normal form, often abbreviated as 1NF, a fundamental concept in database design. 1NF is all about eliminating repeating groups in your database. Let's dive in and understand how to achieve this. So, what exactly is the first normal form? A relation is in first normal form if and only if all attributes contain atomic, that is, indivisible values, and there are no repeating groups or arrays. In simpler terms, it means that each column in your table should contain only single values, not lists or sets of values. Each column must contain only atomic, that is, single indivisible values. Each column must have a unique name. The order of rows and columns does not matter. And there should be no repeating groups or arrays of values. Let's look at an example of a table that violates first normal form. Here we have a table named Student Courses with columns Student ID, Name, and Courses. Notice that the Courses column contains multiple values separated by commas. For example, John Smith is listed as taking CS 101, Math 201, and PHYS 101 all in one field. This is a clear violation of 1NF because the Courses column contains multiple non-atomic values in a single field, creating a repeating group. To adhere to 1NF, we need to ensure that each field contains only a single, indivisible value. One way to convert the table to first normal form is by flattening the table. This means creating a separate row for each course taken by a student. As you can see in the corrected table, each row now represents a single course taken by a student. Student ID 101 John Smith is now listed 3 times, each time with a different course: CS 101, Math 201, and PHYS 101. This approach ensures that all values are atomic and that there are no repeating groups in any field. While this solution satisfies first normal form, it may not be the most efficient in terms of data storage and querying, but it is a valid way to achieve 1NF. Another way to convert the table to first normal form is by creating separate columns for each course. In this approach, we add columns like Course 1, Course 2, and Course 3 to accommodate multiple courses for each student. This ensures that each value is atomic, satisfying 1NF. However, there are some drawbacks. This approach has limitations, such as a fixed number of courses per student. Also, it leads to null values for students with fewer courses, and it becomes difficult to query specific courses. While this method technically meets the requirements of 1NF, it is not the most flexible or scalable solution. The best solution for achieving first normal form involves creating separate tables with proper relationships. We create a students table with columns Student ID and Name, and an enrollments table with columns Enrollment ID, Student ID, and Course ID. The enrollments table uses Student ID as a foreign key to link each enrollment record to a specific student in the students table. This maintains referential integrity and allows for unlimited courses per student without violating 1NF. This approach not only satisfies first normal form but also provides a more flexible and scalable database design, making it easier to manage and query the data. Let's consider another example. Here we have a customer orders table with columns Customer ID, Name, Phone Numbers, and Order Date. Notice that the phone numbers column contains multiple phone numbers separated by commas for some customers. This violates first normal form because the phone numbers column contains multiple values in a single field. To fix this, we create a separate row for each phone number, while maintaining the other customer information. As you can see in the After 1NF table, each row now represents a single phone number for a customer. This ensures that each field contains only a single, atomic value, adhering to the principles of first normal form. In summary, first normal form is a crucial step in database normalization, ensuring that each column contains only atomic values and eliminating repeating groups. Key benefits of 1NF include eliminating data redundancy, simplifying queries, improving data integrity, and enabling better indexing. By breaking down repeating groups, 1NF reduces duplicate data, making it easier to search, filter, and sort data. This ensures consistent data structure and relationships, and atomic values allow for more efficient database indexing. First normal form is just the beginning of database normalization. After achieving 1NF, you can proceed to second normal form, often abbreviated as 2NF, and third normal form, often abbreviated as 3NF, to further optimize your database design and eliminate other types of dependencies. If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.